ladies and gentlemen, you know what's crazy on internet today? This. No, not this. No, honey. No, that's just name of my editor, you creeps. Yeah, that's right. The entire international news industry. Unclear how encounter between Britain's shortest serving PM and US President was initiated and how long it lasted. Guys, I have realized that I'm living my life wrong. I wait for people to appreciate me. Donald Trump, he doesn't wait. He just buys a trophy and writes his own name on it. How simple. My favorite was the FIFA Peace Award. Matlab FIFA or peace. Giving Trump a peace prize for football is like giving a shark an award for being a vegetarian. It sounds nice, but nobody believes it.
Yeah.
I mean, he's the kind of guy who picks fight with his own shadow on Truth Social. And Trump took the stage like he just ended World War III. वहाँ ट्रॉफी मिल रही है और यहाँ लोग कंफ्यूज हैं. फुटबॉल में पीस?
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
कब से भाई? रोनाल्डो का अग्रेशन चाहिए हमें फील्ड पर. And guys, did you see the White House event last week? Trump just crowned the undisputed, mark the highlight, undisputed champion of beautiful, clean coal. I'm not kidding. Mining executives actually handed him a bronze trophy of a coal miner. He's directing the military, the US Pentagon, to buy electricity from coal plants.
You know, they're made in China but not used by China.
Imagine SEAL Team 6 going on a mission in a coal-powered helicopter. Target locked. Fire, fire! धुआं इतना है कि दुश्मन को दिख ही नहीं रहा है, पर देशभक्ति पूरी है. Most mentions in Epstein Files award goes to Epstein. No, that's Mr. Donald Trump for you. Okay guys, ये वो अवार्ड है जो पूरा अमेरिका मिस्टर ट्रम्प को देना चाहता है. Hi, White House. We are nominated Mr. Trump for an Epstein award. Hello. They are not just interested, I guess. But there is one award he didn't brag about. The Foot and Mouth Award. It's a real thing. It's not a WhatsApp meme. They gave it to him because he says things that make the English language want to file for divorce. ये अकेला ऐसा अवार्ड है जो ट्रम्प ने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया. Not because he didn't deserve it. He is the goat of saying stupid stuff. But because of the first time in his life, he felt a tiny spark of embarrassment. सोचो, जिस बंदे ने कोविवी इन्वेंट किया हो उसे फुट एंड माउथ अवार्ड मिल रहा है. He probably thought it was a foot massage voucher and he got disappointed. अच्छा, जोक समझने के लिए कॉफे गूगल कर लेना.
Are you dumb?
He's won the Man of the Year in places that don't even have a Man of the Year award. He probably has a trophy at home that says best person to ever stand near a flag. But the big one is still missing. The Nobel Prize. He talks about it every single day. उसको लगता है कि Nobel Prize Amazon पे मिलता है. Yeah guys. Yeah. He's like, I stopped 8 wars in 8 months. Dear Trump uncle, Tom and Jerry का झगड़ा खत्म करवाने पे Nobel Prize नहीं मिलता है. He's so desperate for it, and I bet he's going to rename Mar-a-Lago to Nobel-a-Lago and just start giving himself the prize every Sunday. I think that's a good idea. You know, Trump हमेशा कौन से मोड में होते हैं?
मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ.
Same as our neighbor and Trump's bestie, Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a moment of silence for Pakistan's boycott drama. मतलब इतना build-up, इतनी धमकियाँ, they were shouting boycott for weeks. Then the match started, and by the 10th over, it changed to #boycott cricket. India were like, don't worry, the way you guys bat, anyway, खेलना नहीं बोलते ना उसे. They kept their हम नहीं खेलेंगे promise. Very well. By the way, did you see Salman Ali Agha at the toss?
India have been better than us in World Cups. I'm sleeping okay. It's just probably a few grey hair that come with leading a country with 260 million people on the cricket field.
And he said the pressure only gives him grey hair. भाई 61 रन से हारने के बाद तो सर पे बाल ही नहीं बचे होंगे आपके, है ना? खैर, और तुम्हें पता है सूर्य भाई ने हाथ क्यों नहीं मिलाया टॉस पर? नहीं, वो ऑब्वियस रीजंस तो हैं ही, पर उन्होंने ना मुझे फ़ोन किया, बोले यार डर गया था मैं, ये बीमारी कंटेजियस हुई तो हारने वाली, वर्ल्ड कप है, रिस्क थोड़ी ले सकते हैं।
मेरे को इस बार रिस्क लेने का ही नहीं है।
देखो पीसीबी का पूरा ध्यान इस पर था कि सूर्य हाथ मिलाया है नहीं। हाँ, फायर कर दिया बंदे इन्होंने इस बात पर। फोकस क्लियर है, ट्रोल मटेरियल बनना है। PCB isn't a cricket board anymore. It's a content factory for Indian meme pages. The scoreboard says India won by 61 runs. But the real winner is the internet. Because as long as the PCB keeps focusing on Twitter boycotts instead of Bumrah's bouncers, we are never running out of jokes. अरे आपने रोना नहीं है, ये वो नाउ प्ले द विक्टिम कार्ड वाला चैप्टर रट लिया? चलो सुनाओ, चलो चलो चलो। यार पीसीबी की मैनेजमेंट टीम ऐसी है कि चेयरमैन सुबह टेररिस्ट पकड़ रहा होता है और शाम को बैटिंग ऑर्डर सेट कर रहा होता है। ऑलराइट ऑलराइट ऑलराइट, इनफ ऑफ ड्रामा, टाइम फॉर सम रियल chaos from the world. US-Iran officials due to meet in Geneva on Tuesday. Iran says energy, mining and aircraft deals on table in US talks. Syrian army takes over al-Shaddadi base after US withdrawal. Kim Jong-un unveils housing for families of North Koreans killed in Ukraine war. And you call him dictator? He is really sweet. Lastly, Pakistan directed to address citizens in respectful manner. Sir and ma'am, not OA. Civic sense, you know. They really need that. That was my time, guys. How did you like the show? Comment down. If you like the video, hit the bell icon. We'll meet you Monday to Fridays, same time with International Spices at Zinternational.